Right now, the bags and boxes are piling up inside a business on the southwest side of Chicago. They are donations bound for those tornado victims in Kentucky. CBS 2's Suzanne Le Mignot joined us live with why two Chicago sisters are so determined to help hard-hit Mayfield.
Brad, this is their way of giving back. This is just day 2 of their donation effort. I want to show you something. Take a look. I am surrounded by donated items, so many that it's virtually impossible to walk here. The volunteers have been here nonstop packing up all of these items, people coming in and out of the dry cleaners here in West Eldon to bring these donated supplies. Here are some of the things. You've got diapers, because there are so many families that are now homeless with little children. There have been so many donations of bottled water. I was told it's in the thousands in terms of the number of bottles. You've got canned goods, soup, tuna, you name it, it's all here. This massive donation effort has just been overwhelming, generosity overwhelming for one of the organizers.
I'm speechless. Honestly, I am speechless.
Yesenia Wisar fights back tears as she talks about the outpouring of donations at her cousin's business in West Eldon, EC Dry Cleaning, for tornado-ravaged Mayfield, Kentucky.
I know it's going to help so many families that are going through a really rough time right now.
Wisar and her sister Cassandra organized Operation Save Mayfield over the weekend. They put this post on social media, never expecting what would happen next.
Thank you so much.
I'm sorry for your loss.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Wisar's response after receiving a cash donation?
I wish I could do more than a hug.
Zipporah Jones brought in several boxes of clothes.
I can just imagine how hard that is for, someone that's going to have to try to pull their life back together.
When she was 6, Wisar and her family moved to Mayfield from Chicago.
Everyone was so kind to us growing up.
Wisar taught school in Mayfield and proudly wears a sweatshirt with the school's mascot, the Cardinal.
My little sister and I both decided we needed to give back because they gave us so much, and we can identify with all the stories of the children. We were in their shoes.
Wisar recently moved back to Chicago. When she saw the devastation in the place she spent nearly her entire life, she had to help. Her mother, father, and 96-year-old grandmother not only survived the tornado, their home is still standing with no damage.
So my mom said, I know that God was looking after us. She said, because there's no other way of explaining it. And that's the reason that we also decided to do this.
Now, a driver that was going to be donating his time and diesel and semi-truck to drive the donated items, he had to back out at the last minute. But guess what? Listen to this. In just the past few hours, there were 2 semi-truck drivers that reached out and said they are willing to donate their time and trucks and diesel to get all of these donated items to Mayfield, and they're going to be leaving here Saturday at 6 o'clock in the morning. In the West Eldon neighborhood, Suzanne Le Mignot, CBS 2 News.
That is remarkable. Thank you, Suzanne.